Hello, introduce. My name is Suri, kelas D10, study program pendidikan guru sekolah dasar. Here I will answer the English method question. 1. Describe the opposition and character of my two friends. 2. Read the story of Rapunzel, also English and Indonesia. I will explain the approaches and character of my two friends, namely Varney dan Dandy. Delphir was delegated now as of Delphir, only her Dandy, from time to time in cloth. My friend finalis Biscal, friend with on my and Dal mantra. Up to be is greeted Varney. At Dal Sami Dal when Dal were two friends. Dal tell Dandy that he was friend with me. After Dal story was also admired that Varney was still a calls my family with my father. Is Dal and Dal to meet us together in campus. From 3 weeks now after. Is Dal and this try they to me us together. My friend is and we discuss net and simple practice above his passion in pleasant. Keen, crying Presley, strong, as she to agitate with profile now upgrade and get the for funny from and no canal all at all. Finally getting to know me through my friend Dandy. We finally got close because we already know that we with boldness. Varney was my one honest dull passion. Hence a simple net, not a passion of this and humble of total. He is a brother, Gidel, fidelity, no aggressor, skillful, little, practically strong, and sociable. The three of us are interested on campus, but devote while I'm study and graduate level. Rapunzel English. Three were one and mice and dull one. How it long is when we sit forth as kid. At lay dull one harvest dull good words above two girl hair desker. Three purple hit a litter window at the back of trail. How from with a spirit garden could be sent. Which was full of the most beautiful flower and herbs. It was however surrounded by a hungry well, and no one dared to go in because in Blackcomb to an entrance. Who had great power and was threatened by all the welcome. One dull one was studying by the window and looking out in the dull garden. When she saw in bay she was planted with the most beautiful rampion. Rapunzel in it looked so fresh and grand that she longed for it. and had the greatest desire to add on. This desire they interested every day, and all the self she scared that she could not get any of it, she egoistically fainted away. And Lockheed Plane and Mr. Wall, the hen whose bed was up is she quickly planet away. As man and escape. What after the their feet? Ah, she replied, if I can target some of the rampion. Which is in the garden behind or house. To has I shall deal. The man who properly held Togau sooner the little fit there. Bring her some of the lampion trace her. Let it cool stray what is will. In the tragedy of the evening, his comrade done over the wheel into the garden of the encadress. Hastily closed all of door of lampion, and to it his wife. She at nonsense percept of in and with was anxious. She, however, liked Usmes so very much. The next day she called for in 3 times as much as before. If he was to have any rest, her which must console more deserts in the dull garden. It in the gloom of a very evening, therefore he is the dull again. Of the when his government had done the will he was driven up there. Fully his sermon the entrades studying before him. How is the dull through? Said she with angry look. To this cat, enter my garden and stare my rampion like step. To go sulfur ears. Ah, answered she his Mary stacks the priest of judicial irony made up my meat to the is all opera next day. My wife saw your rampion for the window, and refreshes and longing for its dull. She will have the S in shall have not good so many to have. Then dull dress always her anger to be stoned, and said to him, if thou host be as thou sayest, I will allow the to take away with the as my rampion, as thou with only. I will make condition. The reason may give me the creed which the with will bring into the world. It shall be well dreaded, and I will create for its like a mother. The man is his terror, secrets to everything, and which the one was brought to bed. The Andres, apprentice of answer. give the Kelly the name of Rapunzel, and thought is away with her. Rapunzel grew in the most beautiful queen beneath the sun, which she was 20 years old. The Andreas should here is the tower, which lie is right for six and head next say northern, but witty at the top was and the windows. Windel and rest with to go in Cyprus herself beneath is and script. Rapusur, Rapusur, read you'll hear to me. Rapusur had uniqueness holy. Vina as pun gul, and when she and kiss the pillow of the dress still operational hellbright stress. Hold the drawing one of the hallways of the windows of Rosa. In then the hill will 20 and the entrance ellipses up by it. After a year or two is come to pastime the king. Surada Talgo the fish and windy by the tower. Dumb he hears a sound, which was so charming that his starting still and listed. This was Rapunzel, who is here so listed, passed her 10-inch rating her dress with trouser. The king asked with two climbing up the and looking for the door of the tower. Above, Nana was to barefoot. He rode home, but the single had so free to hit his hair. The very day he went off into the deep, forget and listen. Listen who is. One when his one true studying fits on three, he saw dull and dress come tree, and Helgi hope scream. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. The Rapunzel let down the dress of her hair, and there Andreas climbed up to her. Is the ladder by with on moss. I will for one trip my fortune, say his. And the next day when it began to crowd deck, he whistled the tower and cried, Rapunzel, 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 let down your hair. Immediately the hill fell down and the king's son climbed up. It feared that Rapunzel was very less when a man such as hill as his hand never ill fed. Come to hell, but the king, ashen began to take to her quiz like a friend, and told her that his sis and the best substitute that is had let him have nourished, and he is waiting for to see her. The Rapunzel lost her fear, and when he asked her if she would take him for her husband, and She answered that he was your and Handes Nesal Tagon. He will love me more than Hodel man Godel does. Ansel said yes. And Lazarus' hand is his. She says, I will guilty go I will fit ring. About I do not know how to get done. Bring with the asking of like every time the thou is made, and I will chorus another with is, and when the is ready I will descend, and thou will take me up 3 horse. Thou are get the until that time he is called come to her very evening, for the older one come by day. The Andres Remekis nothing of the listing. Usting Oscar Rapunzel said to her, Tell me, that's Miss Ghost, how to explain that you are so much helpful for me to draw up that. The Yulwin Kings he is with me in the last moment. Ah, Dal was kill. Treat Dal Entres Entrades Tres. What do Elkel Dal say? Thou I will separate Dal from all Dal with war, and yet shall and discuss me. In his anger she suggests Rapunzel. She is beautiful dress. Warapesender desis Rapunzel hell lip hell senses fire of sessions with the right and snip the wet of course of and the lovely branch lie on the road. And she was so pleased that she threw for Rapunzel into the distance with where she had to live in great and misery. And the summons that homeless the she cast of Rapunzel. The entrance is the evening fasting the brain of her which she had off to the havoc of the windows, and where the king scans come and spread. Rapunzel, bring dot your here. She is the hottest stone. The king's son asked about he is that not free. He addresses Rapunzel approach. About the luck Andres, who regret his with escape and Venus luck. Ah, she cried most kingly. Now we shall victim 3 about the beautiful breast is no longer singer in the neck. The skirt and cusk is and will strikes all 3 eyes and will. Rapunzel is close to the distress. The wish never see her more. The king score west biscuit his smell with fire, and is his desk fire he left the dot from the tower. He escaped with his life. Above the tower in the with he were result illness. The hills blended with space of the priest. Until nothing nothing above roti and bread, and did nothing but lament and weep over the loss of his daughters with the least that he rose above his misery for, for some years, and up like scope to the descent with Rapunzel. With the wish to their she had give Brill, a boy and girl live in where Cairns. He heard of fish and its homes so familiar to him that he winter wintermess, and when he said Rapunzel cannot him and on his next and with two of the three with his Alice and their trip Claire again, and he could see with the of before he led her to his kingdom where he was just justly rapid and lived for a long time afterward, happy and content. Rapunzel. Pernah ada seseorang pria dan wanita yang telah lama berharap untuk memiliki anak. Akhirnya wanita itu berharap bahwa Tuhan akan mengabulkan keinginannya. Orang-orang itu memiliki jendela kecil di bagian belakang rumah mereka dari mana sebuah taman yang indah dapat dilihat, yang penuh dengan bunga dan tumbuhan yang paling indah. Namun, dikeliling oleh tembok tinggi, dan tidak ada yang berani masuk ke dalamnya karena itu milik seseorang enchantress yang memiliki kekuatan besar dan ditakuti oleh seluruh dunia. Suatu hari, wanita itu berdiri di dekat jendela ini dan melihat ke bawah ke kebun. Ketika dia melihat tempat tidur yang ditanami dengan Rapunzel yang paling indah, dan itu tampak begitu segar dan hijau sehingga dia merindukannya dan memiliki yang terbesar keinginan untuk makan. Keinginan ini meningkatkan setiap hari, dan ketika dia tahu bahwa dia tidak bisa mendapatkannya, dia merasa agak pucat dan tampak pucat dan sengsara. Kemudian suaminya terkejut dan bertanya, "Apa yang engkau lakukan, istriku tercinta?" "Ah," jawabnya, "jika aku tidak bisa mendapatkan beberapa rampion yang ada di taman di belakang rumah kita untuk dimakan, aku akan mati." Pria itu yang mencintainya berpikir, "Lebih cepat daripada membiarkan istrimu mati, bawakan dia beberapa rampion untuk dirimu sendiri. Biarlah harganya apapun yang kau mau." Di senja hari dia memanjat dinding ke taman sang enchantress. Buru-buru menyengkram segenggam penuh rampan dan membawanya ke istrinya. Dia segera membuat salad untuk dirinya sendiri dan memakannya dengan sangat senang. Dia bagaimanapun sangat menyukai sangat banyak, sehingga hari berikutnya dia merindukannya 3 kali lebih banyak dari sebelumnya. Jika dia harus beristirahat, suaminya harus sekali lagi turun ke taman. Oleh karena itu, di malam yang suram, dia mengecewakan dirinya lagi. Tetapi ketika dia memanjat tembok, dia sangat takut. sangat takut karena dia melihat Enchantress berdiri di depannya. "Bagaimana kamu berani?" katanya dengan ekspresi marah. "Untuk turun ke kebun saya dan mencuri rampion saya seperti pencuri. Engkau harus menderita karenanya." "Ah," jawabnya, "biarkan belas kasihan menggantikan keadilan. Saya hanya memutuskan untuk melakukan karena kebutuhan. Istri saya melihat rampion Anda dari jendela dan merasa sangat merindukan bahwa ia akan mati jika ia tidak punya beberapa untuk dimakan." Kemudian Enchantress membiarkan amarahnya melunak dan berkata kepadanya, "Jika kasusnya seperti yang Anda katakan, saya akan mengizinkan Anda untuk mengambil dengan Anda sebanyak rampion yang Anda layani. Hanya saja membuat satu syarat. Anda harus memberi saya syarat anak yang akan dibawa istrimu ke dunia. Itu akan dirawat dengan baik, dan saya akan merawatnya seperti seseorang ibu." Pria yang ketakutan itu menyetujui segalanya. Dan ketika wanita itu dibawa ke tempat tidur, sang Enchantress segera muncul memberi anak itu namanya Rapunzel dan membawanya pergi bersamanya. Rapunzel tumbuh menjadi anak yang paling cantik di bawah matahari. Ketika dia berusia 12 tahun, Enchantress menutupnya menjadi sebuah menara yang terletak di hutan dan tidak memiliki tangga atau pintu. Tetapi di bagian atas ada jendela kecil. Ketika Enchantress ingin masuk, dia menempatkan dirinya di bawahnya dan menangis. "Rapunzel, Rapunzel, turunkanlah rambutmu padaku." Rapunzel memiliki rambut panjang yang indah, halus seperti emas, dan ketika dia mendengarkannya suara Enchantress, dia membuka ikatan rambutnya yang dikepang, meletakkannya di salah satu kait jendela di atas, dan kemudian rambutnya jatuh 20 L ke bawah, dan Enchantress memanjat olehnya. Setelah 1 atau 2 tahun, terjadilah bahwa putra raja berkuda melalui hutan dan melewati menara. Kemudian dia mendengar lagu yang sangat memesona sehingga dia berdiri diam dan mendengarkannya. Ini adalah Rapunzel, yang dalam kesunyiannya melewatkan waktu dengan membiarkan suaranya yang manis bergema. Putra raja ingin memanjat ke arahnya dan mencari pintu menara, tetapi tidak ada yang ditemukan. Dia pulang, tetapi nyanyikan itu begitu menyentuh hatinya, sehingga setiap hari dia pergi ke hutan dan mendengarkannya. Suatu ketika, dia berdiri di belakang sebuah pohon. Dia melihat seseorang Enchantress datang ke sana, dan dia mendengar bagaimana dia menangis. "Rapunzel, Rapunzel, turunkan rambutmu." Kemudian Rapunzel menurunkan kepang rambutnya, dan sang Enchantress memanjat ke arahnya. "Jika itu adalah tangga tempat seseorang naik, aku akan mencoba peruntunganku untuk sekali," katanya. Dan hari berikutnya, ketika mulai menjadi gelap, dia pergi ke menara dan menangis. "Rapunzel, Rapunzel, turunkan rambutmu." Rambutnya rontok dan putra raja memanjat. Pada awal Rapunzel sangat ketakutan ketika seorang pria seperti matanya belum pernah melihatnya datang kepadanya. Tetapi putra raja mulai berbicara kepadanya seperti seseorang teman dan mengatakan kepadanya bahwa hatinya telah sangat terguncang sehingga dia tidak dapat beristirahat, dan dia dipaksa untuk melihatnya. Kemudian Rapunzel kehilangan rasa takutnya. Dan ketika dia bertanya, apakah dia mau mengambilnya untuk suaminya, dan dia melihat bahwa dia masih muda dan tampan, dia berpikir, dia akan mencintaiku lebih daripada Damel Goddel yang dulu. Dan dia berkata, "Iya," dan meletakkan tangannya. Dia berkata, "Aku rela pergi bersamamu. Tetapi aku tidak tahu bagaimana harus turun. Bawakan segulung sutra kepadamu setiap kali engkau datang, dan aku akan menenun tangga dengannya. Dan ketika itu sudah siap, aku akan turun, dan engkau akan membawaku naik kudamu." Mereka sepakat bahwa sampai saat itu ia harus datang kepadanya setiap malam, karena wanita tua itu datang pada siang hari. Sang enchantress tidak berkomentar mengenai hal ini, sampai suatu ketika Rapunzel berkata kepadanya, "Katakan padaku, Dama Gothel, bagaimana hal itu terjadi sehingga kamu jauh lebih berat bagiku untuk menggambarkan daripada putra raja muda. Dia bersama denganku sebentar lagi." "Ah, engkau anak yang jahat," seru sang enchantress. "Apa yang ku dengar darimu? Saya pikir saya telah memisahkan Anda dari seluruh dunia, namun Anda telah menipu saya." Dalam amarahnya, dia memegangi rambut Rapunzel yang indah, membungkusnya 2 kali di tangan kirinya, mengambil gunting dengan tangan kanan, dan memotong membentak terputus, dan kepang-kepang indah itu terletak di tanah. Dan dia begitu kejam sehingga dia membawa Rapunzel yang malang ke padang pasir, di mana dia harus hidup dalam kesedihan dan penderitaan yang luar biasa. Namun pada hari yang sama, ia mengusir Rapunzel, sang enchantress, di malam hari mengencangkan kepang rambut yang telah ia potong ke kait jendela. Dan ketika putra raja datang dan menangis, "Rapunzel, Rapunzel, turunkan rambutmu." Dia membiarkan rambutnya jatuh. Putra raja naik, tetapi dia tidak menemukan Rapunzel tersayang di atas. Tetapi sang enchantress yang menatapnya dengan tatapan jahat dan berbisa. "Aha," dia menangis mengejek, "engkau akan menjemputmu yang tersayang." Tetapi burung yang indah itu tidak lagi bernyanyi di dalam sarang. Kucing sudah mendapatkannya dan akan menggaruk mata Anda juga. Rapunzel hilang bagimu. Kamu tidak akan pernah melihatnya lagi." Putra raja berada di samping berdirinya sendiri dengan rasa sakit, dan dalam keputusannya dia melompat turun dari menara. Dia melarikan diri dengan hidupnya, tetapi duri di mana dia jatuh menusuk matanya. Kemudian dia berkeliaran sangat buta tentang hutan, tidak makan apa-apa selain akar dan beri, dan tidak melakukan apa-apa selain meratap dan menangis karena kehilangan istri tercintanya. Karena itu dia berkeliaran dalam kesengsaraan selama beberapa tahun, dan akhirnya tiba di padang pasir tempat Rapunzel dengan anak kembal yang melahirkannya, seseorang anak laki-laki dan perempuan, hidup dalam kesengsaraan. Dia mendengar suara dan sepertinya begitu akrab baginya sehingga dia pergi ke sana. Dan ketika dia mendekat, Rapunzel mengenalnya dan jatuh di lehernya dan menangis. 2 air matanya membasahi matanya dan mata itu menjadi jernih lagi, dan dia bisa melihat dengan mereka seperti sebelumnya. Dia membawanya ke kerajaannya, di mana dia diterima dengan penuh sukacita, dan mereka hidup lama setelah itu bahagia dan puas. The all from me if real word, the earliest blessing in my pronunciation is not right. Apologize. Thank you.